A very good morning to all. We are going to start with the 11th chapter. Why do we have seasons? So, you already learnt about weather in the last chapter. So, what is weather? Weather means it is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. That is called as weather. So, is the weather same all the time? No, right. It changes frequently. Weather can be sunny, it can be cloudy, or it can be windy, etc. So, if it is sunny in the morning, it can be cloudy in the evening. So, weather changes day by day and time by time. So, it does not remain the same. Then, do you know what are seasons then? What is season? So, period of the year having certain weather condition, that we call it as seasons. So, seasons means period of the year in which there is certain weather conditions. That is called seasons. So, do you know which are the three main seasons in our country? That is summer, monsoon and winter. So, which are they? The summer season, the monsoon season, which is also called as the rainy season, and winter season. So, in all these seasons, there are different weather conditions. So, in summer, it is very hot. What about in winter? It is very cold. So, which are the three main seasons? Summer, monsoon, and winter. So, let's discuss about the different seasons one by one. So, first, let's discuss about the summer season. So, what comes to your mind when you think of summer? It means hot, right? The days are very hot. The days are hot and sunny. What is the weather during the summer season? It is sunny, right? Then, have you noticed during summer season, the days are longer? Have you noticed? The days are longer and nights are shorter. Why days are longer than nights during summer season? That is because of certain reason. You have learnt that earth is rotating, right? The earth is rotating all the time. It does not remain the same. So, as the earth rotates, so is it upright? No, it is slightly tilted. So, as the earth rotates, half of the earth receives more or less sunlight. So, during the summer season, the part of the earth, that is the half of the earth, receives more sunlight, making the day longer. So, during summer season, that is when the summer season starts. It starts from March and it lasts till June. So, during this month, the half of the earth receives more sunlight. They are near to the sun. Half of the earth is near to the sun and it receives more sunlight, making the days longer. So, that is why days are longer in summer season. Then another important thing is, during summer season, as we discussed, it is very hot and sunny. Why it is very hot and sunny during summer season? Because we learnt that the half of the earth receives more sunlight. So, more heat and light reaches this region. And the sun rays is straight and direct. The sun rays is straight and direct to this region, and this region receives more heat and light, so that during this summer season, the days are very hot and sunny. So that is why it is warm during summer season. Then what type of dress do we love to wear during summer season? We all love to wear cotton clothes, right? Why? Because it keeps our body cool. Because it is very hot outside. So in order to keep our body very cool, we all love to wear cotton clothes. So that is about summer season. So summer season, the days are longer than nights. Then during the summer season, it is very hot and sunny. Why? Because more light and heat reaches the region. The sun rays is straight and direct to this region. So that is why it is very hot and sunny. Now, monsoon season, which is also called the rainy season. So it is the season when it is raining. So do you know when the monsoon season starts? It starts from June and it lasts till September. Do you know what type of weather condition do we have in rainy season or the monsoon season? We have humid weather. You know what is the humid weather? It means it is the condition, it is the weather condition where the air contains more water vapor. Where the air contains lot of water vapor. That is called humid weather. So during monsoon season, we have humid weather. Which is the next season? The next season is the winter season. So winter season, it is the season when it is cold. So do you know when the winter season begins? It begins from December till March. And during this season, the days are shorter and nights are longer. Why during these days are shorter than nights? So here because the half of the earth receives less sunlight. It receives less sunlight, making the day shorter. So during winter season, the days are shorter and nights are longer. Then during winter season, it is very cold. So why it is very cold during winter season? We learnt that the half of the earth receives less light. It receives less sunlight. It is slightly away from the sun. So less light and heat reaches this region. And also the sun rays is in a slanting position. The sun rays are slanted to this region. Slanted means not straight. So the sun rays are slanted to this region. So making it very cold. So during winter season, it is very cold because this region receives less light and heat from the sun, making these months colder. So that is about winter season. So during winter season, what type of dress we all love to wear? We all love to wear woolen clothes. Why? Because it is very cold outside. And in order to keep our body warm, we all wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. So that is about the winter season. So there is an activity in page number 126. So the question is, direct rays gives more light, slanting rays gives less light. So you can try doing this activity. For that you need a card paper and a torch. So you can try doing this activity. Then above that there is a question given. Think and answer. Why are summer afternoons hotter than winter afternoons? Why? Because during summertime, during summer afternoon, the sun rays is straight and direct, which means more light and heat is received in this region. More light and heat reaches this region. And what about in winter? Winter, less light and heat reaches this region. And the sun rays are slanted. So that is why it is less hotter in winter afternoons. So in this class we learned about seasons. So which are the three main seasons? Summer, monsoon and winter. Then we learned why it is warm during summer season and why it is cold during winter season. So I hope it is clear to you. So in the next class we'll discuss another new topic. Till then, thank you.